potatoes. Chicken boiled with salt and pepper salt as to taste. Black pepper half teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon. 1 egg. In a bowl, add all mentioned ingredients. Mix them well. Make cutlet shapes. You can also freeze them for later use. Beat the egg. Now coat the cutlets with egg. And shallow fry it on the griddle or pan. Flip them and cook from both sides equally. Chicken potatoes cutlets are ready. Chicken potato paratha. Make to small ball from flour dough. Now flatten them by using rolling pin. Now fill the previous leftover mixture of cutlets. This is best for children lunchboxes. The other roti on it. And again flatten it with using rolling pin. Now put it on the griddle and cook it. Also, you can take it in breakfast with a cup of tea. Or some ghee on it. It cooked. Serve it hot with tea and enjoy your day. You can eat it in breakfast. Also give to your children in lunch boxes. Delicious!